Hey everyone, this is Lori, and I have an article that I posted, and it's the most common reasons why people fail to make money online. So, if you're new to making money online and you're frustrated and you're about ready to give up, don't. Keep with it, okay? And I'm going to show you the most common reasons, and if you're doing any of these or you're not doing what's suggested, then hopefully this will give you some ideas of the strategy that you need to change. Okay, so I'm not going to go through this verbatim. The link to this article will be in the description of the video if you want to come out and read it, but I'm just going to go through the bullet points. Now, a very common thing that people go through is they get excited about making money online, but then they try it and it's more work than they thought. Okay, so lack of initiative is a very common theme, and I'm on Facebook every day. I see people asking, about ways to make money online. They want the simplest, easiest ways because they just don't want to work. Okay, so if you're experiencing or you're guilty of lack of initiative, then that's a huge opportunity for you to change your strategy right now and start looking at what it takes to make money online. It's not as easy as as some people want you to believe. It takes work, and if it was that easy, then a lot more people would be doing it, and less people would be going to a regular job. Okay, so think about that. There's times when you're starting out that you need to give up some of your social time. Instead of going out every Friday, Saturday, and Sunday to party with your friends or even to do things with your family, set aside some time to work on your business or on the ways that you want to make money. You have to dedicate time and a lot of effort. Okay, another reason is lack of training. People don't know what they're doing. They don't know how to get started. They want to put up a website, but they don't know how. Okay, or they want to sell on eBay, but they don't know how. Okay, there's a lot of free courses and free tutorials out there to teach you how to acquire the skills that you need to do whatever you're doing. If you want to sell t-shirts, take a course on how to sell t-shirts or how to design t-shirts. Okay, if you want to do affiliate marketing, take a course on how to do affiliate marketing. If you want to open up a Shopify store, take a course or take courses on how to set up a Shopify store. If you want to be successful on YouTube, take training courses about YouTube and being successful on YouTube. Okay, lack of knowledge and skills. That kind of goes in with the lack of training. Once you take the training, then you need to apply what you learn. And, figure out what works for you and what doesn't. If you're on a tight budget, then you're going to have to exchange your time. Instead of paying for paid services, you're going to use free services, but that's going to require more work. Okay, so you need to account for your time and set aside that time. Okay, people are impatient. They try something for a little while, and they say it doesn't work, and they give up. When you're making money online, you may try 10 different things before you find that one thing that really suits your personality and your skills and your ability. So you need to stick with it. Okay, I started really seriously looking at how to make money online in 2014. And it takes time. Okay, just don't give up. If something isn't working, try something else. Okay, another one is you don't have a plan. Okay, if you don't have, if you don't go by a do list or an action item list, then you're just kind of flying by the seat of your pants. You don't have a plan. Okay, and making money online takes a lot of consistent effort. Okay, it takes a lot of understanding. Okay, I did this for a week, it didn't work. I did this for a month, it didn't work. If something isn't working, then stop doing it and change your strategy. I tell people that all the time. Okay, you need to look at the products. Maybe the products or services that you're promoting just aren't in demand, or maybe you're not really up on, how to market, and maybe you're not putting them in front of the right audience. Okay, you want to find those hungry buyers. You want to find those people with a problem that your product or service solves. Okay, you want to avoid getting involved with schemes and pyramid schemes and scams and things like that. So you want to know how to identify those so you can avoid them. Okay, now I'm going to be leaving a lot of information down in the video description. I hope you'll check it out. And one of those is how to avoid work from home scams. Okay, I mentioned this earlier. People don't take consistent action. Okay, they try something for a day and I don't like it. It didn't work. You got to take consistent action, and it may seem repetitive, but that's really the only way you're going to know if something's really going to work or not. Okay, and that goes back to having a good plan. Okay, information overload. This is another really common. When people start trying to make money online, they come across all kinds of information. Okay, some of it good, some of it bad, and they don't know what is what. Okay, so the easiest thing to do is if somebody promises you that you can make $10,000 in a week, stay away from it. Is it possible to make $10,000 in a week? Yes. But that's usually for, people who have been in the internet marketing sector or have a huge email list and they utilize that email list to sell their products. Okay, so learn a little bit, do a lot. Okay, learn a little, do a lot. If you're taking a course, take notes. Write down things that come to mind and keep those notes organized. Okay, so the money-making systems, those are far and few between, the ones that really work. I belong to a few, but it took me years to find them, and it's like I said, it's a lot of work. Okay, another one is fear of failure. People are afraid to start something because they might fail, but again, that's something that you're just, the bottom line is anybody who is trying to make money online, they will always fail when they first started. Everybody who's been successful has always failed when they first started. Okay, so get over that fear and just keep trudging along. Okay, don't give up. Okay, again, this kind of goes along with the shiny object. People expect fast and easy money from get-rich-quick schemes. Again, stay away from that fast and easy money. Most of them are scams or schemes. Okay, failure to build relationships and trust. Okay, if you're going to be making money online, you're going to have to connect with people. Okay, unless you're just going to do surveys and pay-to-click stuff that's not going to pay you a lot, you're going to have to build a following, you're going to have to build trust, and you're going to have to establish a good reputation. Okay, so I gave you several reasons why people fail to make money online. If you're guilty of any of these, don't worry, you can change what you're doing if you try. Okay, you just have to stick with it. I can't express that enough. And again, if something isn't working, try something else. Okay, you will find it, but you have to be patient. You have to dedicate the time and the effort. And it's all about working smart. It's all about having good tools to work with and getting with the right people. Okay, so don't be discouraged. Keep on trudging. You'll get it if you really stick with it. Okay, I have no doubt. But you have to be willing to work. You can't give up too easy. And just be patient. Make sure that you're promoting good products. Stay away from scammers. Stay away from people that are trying to mislead you. And definitely don't mislead your audience. Okay. Thanks for watching. Good luck. Check out the descriptions of the video, or the video description. And there are a lot of ways to make money online. It's a lot of fun. And it's well worth the time and effort.